Okay.
Since I didn't do anything.
Hey, so Khalil is here.
Guilt by association.
Okay.
What
Who's
the?
who's associated?
That's gotta
All
be
right.
racist.
He got cuffs on too.
He said I'm guilty because we're both white.
I'm not guilty or associated.
Okay, Jennifer.
Yes, ma'am.
What? You can either
Yeah, we got a picture.
share the seat or stop moving.
Yeah, I'm nervous. I'm gonna just go a little too fast.
Today, Junior. Come on.
They treating us like fucking
I got
terrorists.
I do. I know my shit. I'm good at this.
You see
Oh
this
yeah.
shit?
Yo, free me, bro.
Hey, do not
Nigga,
talk
fuck
to them.
you.
Oh.
Die in that bitch.
Thank you.
Yo,
Mom.
free me, bro.
Die in that
Put the
bitch,
phone
fuck
down.
nigga.
Put the phone down. Stop. Get over there to jail.
Yo, my haters out there in crowd.
Hey.
Fuck you guys.
Seriously.
If you're not a hater though, hi.
I object. Hey man.
They got a special place.
Oh
for you,
shit,
my
yeah,
nigga.
yeah. What's good, brother? I see you
Good,
over
brother.
there.
That is completely
Got that
up
pack
to you.
for when I get out, bro.
Whatever you're more comfortable with.
I'm fine with whatever.
Hey, well, I have to
The same.
Yo, is that Sabrina? Yo, Sabrina. Oh, it's not her. Never mind.
Okay. Come here.
I yell behind me. Hi.
Both of you.
Back corner.
Matter of fact,
Lip
come here in the
going.
jumpsuit.
Sergeant. She's wearing a mask.
I believe.
Yo, Julio, you
Don't
more.
be my
somebody said
wife.
That she's sick, man. I think that's what Rory said.
Why you sit?
I
I think
mean,
she ID'd her. She got her ID and everything.
okay. All right, yes, sir.
Sit there in
Yes,
the
sir.
chair.
I mean,
Yes,
rules
sir.
are rules, you know.
Yeah.
Oh.
You happy
I
there?
think she should follow the
Yeah.
law like everybody
I'm
else.
Bailey
Keep the
Bob.
mask
Nice
on.
to meet you. What's your name?
Listen, I'm the
Bob, you got
fucking terrorist.
platforms on?
You are.
I'm Bailey Bob. What's your
Whoa,
name?
what's your
Nice
name?
to meet you.
Drake Morning
Hey.
Star. You got you tall as fuck.
Get a mask on.
No, my mama always said I was
You seen
taller
me
than
before?
everybody else in school, man.
Ah.
Yeah, she was right.
Yep.
Oh, I was beating the shit out of them, right?
Bro, you was rolling.
You want a quick news report
Oh,
video
shit.
for Birdie?
I do. Maybe. Hey, psst, come here.
I heard that we have 2 of the 3 witnesses.
Am I yelling or am I whispering?
No, you're whispering.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Let's see if we can get a statement from Bruce.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so Ace Cash and Khalil Cash
If
are
you come
here.
try to get a
correct?
statement from him, I swear
Yes.
to God.
You have a statement for the news before your trial here?
Yes, yes, I do.
Okay, just give us a moment, sir.
All right.
Okay.
All right, this is Vito Pellucci with Weazel
on.
News.
Hold on.
Just
hold
talk
on.
about your favorite food.
Let me count you in, okay? All right.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, action.
All right, this is Vito Pellucci reporting live from the courthouse with Weazel News. We are right here with Brucie before his trial. He wanted to make a quick statement for the public here. Sir, go ahead.
Hello, I'm Brucie. Free me, bro.
Wonderful.
Yo, free me, bro.
Bury that
Do you want the people to know anything before your trial, sir?
Yes, one thing. Get me out of here.
Let me speak to the judge, Bruce. I'll get us out
Alright.
of here.
You heard it here first, folks. You heard it here first, folks. Brucie would like to be out of here and be free.
Hey, Brucie, you want to talk, do a little interview after the verdict by chance?
Sure.
All right, cool.
If I'm free though, it might cost you.
Oh, well. We work for the
50
news, we
grand.
don't mind money
No.
anyways.
Um,
My bad.
Johnny, go.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. All right, everybody, hear me.
But technically.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm Bailey Bob.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Don't worry about that, gentlemen and ladies. Look, all rise for your honorable judge, Sage Wilson. All rise.
I'm already standing. Is that all right?
Stand higher.
Hold on my tippy toes. Hold on.
I don't think everybody heard me. Oh, motherfucker. Excuse my language, Your Honor. I
Judge,
said
we're-
all rise!
Hey, come here. Talking about you, G.
All rise! You think you're better than somebody else? Okay. Sorry, Your Honor. I'll be vacating one from
no,
the
sir, I think
whoa.
he's thinking about something.
Excuse me.
And he can
Bailiff.
think about standing.
Bailiff Bob. I think you should,
Damn, he's lifting that motherfucker.
Damn, he lifted him off his feet.
Billy Bob stands.
I
on
like
business.
bailiff. Who the bailiff? I like that nigga.
Damn, threw his shit up.
I love that nigga.
I have a
Hey,
name.
He threw him up in the
That
air and
Bailey
left him
means a
there.
raise.
Bruce, you saw that?
That was
Hey.
such a beautiful sight to see. I'm not gonna lie.
That was so fucking beautiful.
Well, he can
That
very
was so
important it out
beautiful.
here.
Yo, bailiff, you need a
Also,
raise,
we got a
twin.
pay raise.
That was really
Sure
good.
does.
That nigga tall as hell. What the fuck?
Silence for the judge. Thank you. Your Honor, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Bailiff Bob. Okay, we are here today for the matter of State versus Brucie Sanchez. Before we proceed, I would like all parties to identify themselves for the record. We'll begin with State, followed by defense.
Charlie Parker, prosecution.
Okay. Defense.
Drake Morningstar, defense. Am I speaking loud enough?
No.
Go defense.
Drake
defense.
Morningstar, defense.
Mr. Sanchez, please state your name for the record.
Brucie Sanchez.
And has discovery been received and reviewed by both parties?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Before you open your statements, State, please identify for the record each charge presently being pursued against the defendant, including the number of counts.
Yes, Your Honor. Would you also like the time and fine for that, or just the charges?
No, just the charges and the number of counts.
Okay, it'll be kidnapping ×3, attempted murder ×3, possession of stolen property, felon in possession of a firearm, terrorist threats against the government, conspiracy, possession of a weapon class A, possession of a weapon class 2, possession of a weapon class 3, weapons trafficking,
Yeah, DOJ.
bomb threats. That is all, Your Honor.
Okay, you may begin with your opening statements.
All right. Your Honor and members of the court, this case is not simply about a gunfight. It's not simply about legal weapons. At its core, this is a case about 3 people who were taken, confined, and held against their will. On August 15th, 2026, the defendant, Brucie Sanchez, personally contacted law enforcement and stated that he was holding Arturo Ramirez, Ace Cash, and Khalil Cash inside cages. This is not a rumor. This is not speculation. It was a statement made directly by the defendant himself. Law enforcement worked to locate these victims and bring them home alive. During a video call with Sanchez, officers were able to see portions of the location and recognize the room where the victims were being held. Officers then moved in. What they then discovered beneath the mansion was far more than 3 frightened victims. They found 3 human beings locked inside cages, surrounded by an operation containing illegal firearms, ammunition, and evidence consistent with the manufacturing and storage of weapons. More than 30 illegal handguns and approximately 5,000 rounds of ammunition were recovered. And when officers entered the property, they encountered an armed suspect in a gunfight that followed. The evidence will show that Sanchez was not an innocent bystander who happened to be standing near this operation. His own words placed him at the center of it. His contact or his presence connected him to the location. The victims were found exactly where he said they were. The physical evidence was recovered from the same property. And the prosecution will present the statements, video observation, victim testimony, physical evidence, weapons, ammunition, and the circumstances of the armed confrontation. At the conclusion of this case, we will ask you to look at the evidence as a whole, not as isolated pieces, but as one undeniable picture. 3 victims, 1 hidden prison, an arsenal of illegal weapons, and a defendant whose own words helped lead law enforcement straight to them. The evidence will show that this was not an accident. It was a kidnapping operation, and Brucie Sanchez was at the center of it. Thank you, Your Honor.
Defense?
I mean, wow. I mean, it sounds like my client is on trial for having the most dramatic police report in Los Santos. And he's on trial for specific crimes, and every single one of those crimes requires something considerably less exciting than a headline, because that's all that really sounded like. And it requires evidence. You are going to hear witnesses, allegations, all that stuff. But they need to prove it, not suspect it, not believe it, and not write if supported by evidence underneath everything in their reports. That's all.
Okay, let's proceed with the case.
Prosecution would like to call their first witness. First witness will be Chief Valentine.
Ooh.
Fucking boomy.
Bailiff Bob, would you mind
Yeah.
swearing him in?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please approach the witness stand, sir. Okay, over here, yes, sir. Please raise your right hand, Chief. Thank you. Okay, sir. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Bob.
Okay, thank you, sir. You may be seated.
Yeah, let me sit in the inside. Too many police around here. I ain't trying to go back to jail.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you state your name, rank, and badge number for the court?
Lloyd Valentine, 001, Chief of Police.
Thank you for that. Officer, how did you first become involved with the incident?
I received a phone call from Mr. Sanchez.
And what did Mr. Sanchez tell you during that call?
He told me he had some tough choices to make. He was trying to seek some answers from individuals that he was being that he had held captive. Excuse me.
Did he identify anyone that he claimed to be holding?
He did indeed, yes.
Can you state those names for the court?
Yeah, he claimed to be holding Khalil Cash, Ace Cash, and what was known or who was known as Art.
All right. What did he say about how those individuals were being held?
He said that they were there unwillingly. Said that if they weren't going to give him the answers he was looking for, that he would potentially kill them.
All right. So based on that information, you believe that there was an immediate threat to the victims?
Absolutely.
What steps did you take to determine the victims were being held? Or where the victims were being held, excuse me.
After a few, phone calls with him, I convinced him to FaceTime me. After seeing them in the cells, it looked like a very familiar place where I was held captive once.
So you were able to observe the location during the call?
Yes, ma'am.
What, if anything, did you recognize about that location?
Oh, everything. The color on the walls, cells, the benches, the water buckets inside the cells.
So is that how you were able to identify the property?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Once the location was identified, what did law enforcement do after that?
We had a quick briefing where we assembled tactical gear and everything. We made our way up to the house, what was known where we believed Mr. Brucie was keeping these individuals. After circling the perimeter, before breaching, we actually looked in one of the windows and seen Mr. Sanchez in there. Had a firearm in his hand at time, and he started letting shots off towards the windows. When we came through the front and the side doors, made our way towards Mr. Sanchez. Then he took the gun out of his hand and placed it with the detonator. That he was going to kill the individuals downstairs.
Was there an exchange of gunfire?
Yes, ma'am.
How was
Top of
the
the stairs.
at the top of the stairs? How was the threat ultimately resolved?
One of my best Jack's Creed took a shot. That hit, landed.
All right. Where did officers locate Arturo Ramirez, Ace Cash, and Khalil Cash?
I believe Mr. Ramirez and Khalil were sharing a cell when we came in. Mr. Ace Cash was in the further cell, one that I was once in.
All right. What condition were the victims in when you found them?
Pretty beat up. One of them for sure. They looked a little bit. Khalil looked a little rougher than the rest, I would say.
And by rough, what are you meaning by that?
Like he has sustained some injuries.
Okay. Were they free to leave the location on their own?
Negative.
I know you have stated before, but can you describe the holding area more in depth?
When you come down a spiral staircase, like a gray double door that you would go through. On the left seemed to be some kind of benches or some kind of like armory, so to speak. Had some green like military cases in there as well with supplies and storage. And then the cells themselves, I believe to be in dark and colored green, was a wooden benches in the cells. Like I stated earlier, there were these giant wooden water buckets in there, along with the benches.
All right. What did officers do after locating the victims?
After taking the victims up out of the room safely and gathering statements from them, or if they could, kind of broke up into two different groups as some of them came in to take care of the hostages, and then the other officers began sweeping the premises for search.
Okay. And what did officers discover while searching and processing that property?
Found over 50 illegal handguns, roughly upwards to 5,000 ammunition, 5,000 rounds.
Thank you. Were there areas or items that appeared connected to manufacturing or storage of weapons?
Yes, ma'am.
Was this evidence documented and secured by law enforcement?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Where was Brucie Sanchez in relations to the victims in the holding area?
When we came in, he was on the other side of a glass door. We exchanged some words for a little bit.
And did you personally hear Mr. Sanchez state that he was holding these victims?
Yes, ma'am.
And did the physical evidence recovered from the property corroborate what you had observed during the investigation?
Yes, but I think it unraveled more.
All right. And just final questions. Officer, during your investigation, were Art, Ace Cash, and Khalil Cash being held voluntarily?
Not to my knowledge, no, they were not.
Objection.
She might not have heard you, Morningstar. You're really quiet for me.
I didn't say it. I didn't want to
Oh,
object
who's?
to it.
Sorry.
Oh, I heard objection. Okay, never mind. My bad. Okay, one last question. Officer, is there any doubt in your mind that this was an active hostage situation when law enforcement arrived?
Yes, ma'am. I do believe it was.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Fuck nigga Brucie about to see life.
Oh, where you going? Cross exam.
Oh, sorry.
Bury that nigga under there.
Go
All right,
ahead, sorry.
Valentine, can you hear me?
A little bit, yeah.
Feel free to step up there, Mr. Morningstar. Don't be afraid.
All right. So, Valentine, you've written your fair share of police reports, right?
Yes, sir.
Would you say that accuracy matters?
I would, sir.
And there's a difference between what investigators suspect and what they actually establish?
I would say so.
Good. Now let's talk about what you actually establish. You listed conspiracy on your report, correct?
I did.
Your exact language, I believe, was conspiracy if evidence establishes involvement with additional suspects, correct?
Indeed, it does. Yes, sir.
Who was the co-conspirator?
I believe he's even in here today. Be Michael over there.
Okay, you
Bullshit.
believe. What was the agreement?
Say again, the agreement
Yeah, what was the agreement
between who?
for co-conspirators?
Well, as he has known and been known to help break him out. Also, he's just been everywhere that Brucie has been. Hence why he's here today, because he tried to break him out.
I have to object to my own question now because of your response. So we'll move on. What evidence established that agreement?
At the time, it was just like I said, previous and prior encounters and actions.
Okay, did you put that evidence in your report?
About Michael? No, sir.
Okay. All right, let's move on. Let's say you classified Ace Cash as a kidnapping victim, right?
Correct.
He left immediately after being rescued, correct?
From my understanding.
Before giving investigators a formal statement of any kind?
Again, from my understanding.
So a vehicle entered your secured scene and picked him up.
I think he drove away.
Fuck blood.
I did not see him get in a vehicle and drive and someone pick him up like you're saying.
And did your department investigate whether the kidnapping may have been staged or coordinated?
We did indeed.
So when you completed the investigation, you couldn't conclusively tell this court whether Ace Cash was a victim or a participant, could you?
From your client's statements, yeah, I could say that he was a
Okay.
victim indeed. He was held against his will.
That's all my questions.
You have any questions, Your Honor? Sorry. Can't hear you. Am I
Judge,
ready to
we-
go back down?
I'm feeling okay.
I'm all good. Thank you, Valentine.
That
Woke
nigga
up sore.
reminded you on his knees. Look at that ass. He not even interested in the trial.
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth.
couldn't hear it.
No, understandable. So we still just have 2 witnesses.
Okay, that's it. You got another witness?
I'm sure that Ace goes last.
I was in where you
10-4.
refer to you.
Your Honor, I've been informed that one of our witnesses that was subpoenaed by the courts has not shown up. I believe Khalil Cash is here. Ace Cash is here. But Arturo Ramirez, from my understanding, did not appear.
Fuck blood.
We are going to call Khalil Cash to the stand.
And so be it.
Oh, this piece of shit.
Fucking rat.
Red.
You sucking
Come
dick.
in there,
Right.
approach
Dick, fuck,
the
nigga.
bench.
Dick suckers.
Fucking
A lot
rat.
of dick sucking happening in this courtroom.
Oh, it was cool. You rat. Fuck.
Say that outside. Fuck, nigga. I'm gonna catch you.
That's enough.
Hello
You
there,
over there
sir.
sucking this
Please
fake Andrew
raise
Tate nigga
your
dick,
right
bitch.
hand there for me.
Fuck
Hey,
the
you
grim
sucking
team,
our
fuck,
dick
nigga.
for sucking his dick.
Hey, very good, very good. Do
All
you
them niggas
swear to
shot.
tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing
All them
but
niggas
the
shot.
truth, so help you God?
All them niggas shot.
do.
Fuck, nigga.
Alrighty, you may be seated today, sir.
Fuck the courtroom.
And did what?
Hello,
Fuck
Mr.
the
Khalil
courtroom.
Cash.
How you doing?
Hello. Do you know Brucie Sanchez?
man. Just gonna let them
I don't know him too well, but I know.
All right. How did you end up at the location where you were found?
I was hired to do a job, security for a party.
Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, I own a business called The Firm. We provide private security around the city, and there was a big mansion party, and I was there on duty doing security.
Okay, so they took you while you were working at a party.
Who took me?
Mr. Sanchez.
I don't know who took me. I was unconscious. I woke up and cops was
See? A
everywhere.
lot of dick sucking happening.
Okay.
What did I just tell you? Leading, Jim?
You don't know anything about what happened to you while you were in the cell when law enforcement found you. You don't know anything leading up to that.
I woke up with a fat ass headache, honestly. I'm sorry, Judge. No offense. Excuse my language. But yeah, I don't know who took me. What happened? I got down there. But I do appreciate LSPD for coming to get me.
Hey, turn your fucking phone off, cuz.
Do you know how long you were confined?
I don't, honestly. Don't. I suffered a concussion really bad. Swelling around my head. Things like that. I don't know how long I was knocked out.
Hey, Mello.
Did you believe during your time there that you could leave on your own?
Yeah. Well, not until the job was done that I was hired to do.
And what happened when the police entered the property?
Once I woke up, I saw them outside of the cells and they escorted me upstairs and questioned me.
Did you see any weapons or ammunition stored in the area that you were confined in?
I did not. When I woke up, I just seen jail cell, bars, and fucking, yeah, rusty pipes, brick walls, shit like that.
Did Brucie say anything to you about why you were being held?
I didn't see Brucie until I came out once the officers escorted me upstairs. I believe at that time they had him in custody.
All right. Is there anything about your confinement you believe the court should know?
Other than I'm gonna sue Brucie for everything he fucking owns. Again, Judge, I apologize for my language.
No further
It's fine,
questions,
but
Your
no
Honor.
more. Wait, not yet.
Yes, sir. You gotta be.
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
Defense, your witness.
Okay, Mr. Cash, you just testified that you don't know who took you, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Did you see who transported you to the area?
I did not.
Seems to be the
did you-
issue.
Did you see who placed you in the cage?
Why you take him outside? He been quiet the
I
whole
did not.
time.
Was Brucie present when you first arrived, to your knowledge?
Arrived where? To the cell?
Yeah, to wherever they held you.
I don't recall.
Mr. Mayor, sit down.
What was the first moment you personally remember seeing?
This guy has a
Brucie?
sex addiction.
Right here. Mayor, man, sit down.
Just walking in the door and setting up a perimeter and doing my routinely
Come
walk
on, baby
around
man.
outside of the mansion and then the
Sit
interior.
next to your big brother.
I'm sorry, one second. I can't hear you over the peanut gallery.
Yeah, shut your lame ass up in the
We're done talking back there.
Mm-hmm.
Shit.
Oh, shit, a crackhead is in.
What the
Okay,
fuck?
so when did you
Jeepers
see him
creepers.
last?
When I first arrived,
Step out. What are you
I
talking
believe, it's when I saw him. When I seen him last is, like I said, when I was being escorted upstairs, LSPD had him on the floor.
Okay, when you were confined, did Brucie personally do anything to prevent you from leaving?
Say that one more time.
When you were confined there in the cell, did he do anything to prevent you from leaving?
I don't recall seeing him while I was in the cell. I was unconscious that entire time.
Did you ever? So he never talked to you the entire time you were there?
No.
Did you see who allegedly kidnapped Ace?
I don't recall seeing him either.
Did you see who allegedly kidnapped Art?
I don't know who that is.
Okay, that's fine. So you can't tell this court from personal knowledge how either of any of you got to Little Roxwood.
Unfortunately, I can't.
Okay. And just last time for the record, so we're perfectly clear, you don't know who took you, you didn't see who brought you there, and you didn't see who took the other alleged victims.
No, I don't.
Yet somehow Mr. Sanchez's name made it to the kidnapping charge.
Unfortunate.
That's all, Your Honor.
Good to go.
Maybe he's not a rat.
Yes. Was it known that he didn't remember anything before he became a witness?
No, Your Honor.
State.
Nope.
Sounds like it's not.
Jigga Kelly not guilty.
Say another
word, you're getting removed.
Okay.
Word.
All right, come on, let's go. Get up.
Ah.
Go outside.
Next witness, we're gonna call
Ah,
Ace
man.
Cash to the stand.
Was that your last witness?
Yes.
Good, you should
Miss
be able to call
Parker?
the other one. What do you mean?
Oh, is he not? I was told that he wasn't here.
Ace?
Oh, I was told that Arturo Ramirez was not here.
I don't think he is.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
Thank
let
you.
it be
Thank
known
you,
for the
Bailiff
court
Bob.
that he is not here, and we're calling Ace Cash.
That's your- Miss Parker, was that your last witness?
For Ace Cash will be my last witness before Brucie Sanchez.
You're
Yes.
the tallest person I've ever seen in my life.
Arturo
Woman needs to
Ramirez
speak
didn't
up.
show up.
I think Miss Parker's a little shy now.
I'm so sorry, Your Honor. Yes, Ace
Yep,
Cash,
last witness.
Arturo Ramirez did not show up for
come
court.
here, sir.
Carly, make sure you're speaking up.
Don't mind that, partner.
Oh, my
raising your
lordy.
Right hand for me.
Miss Charlie, you okay?
Yeah, I'm all right, Your Honor. I did not realize I was whispering.
Okay,
He will be our last witness.
That's okay, sir, that's
Arturo
okay.
Ramirez did not show up.
Do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, so you may be seated on the hard
Ma'am,
chair.
could you get your ass out my face?
All right. Hello, Mr. Cash.
Mm-hmm.
Can you state your names for the court?
It's Cash.
How do you know Mr. Brucie Sanchez?
I seen him on the news.
All right. Can you explain to the court how you ended up at that property?
I don't remember. I was heavily intoxicated.
Were you being held against your will?
No.
Were you confined inside of a cell or a cage?
I can't recall. I was heavily intoxicated.
Were you able to leave when you wanted to?
Yes.
So did Brucie have any involvement in your confinement?
Who's Brucie?
The man that you saw on the news, sir.
Oh, Brucie Sanchez?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no.
Did you see him while you were being held there?
Held where?
At the property that the law enforcement saw?
Where was this property exactly?
So it's in Little Roxwood, sir.
Where's I thought that got blown up.
I'm not sure, yes, sir.
The fuck? Yeah, I thought that was blown up by the state of San Andreas and LSPD war criminal Lord Valentine. I thought that was blown up.
Did you see Brucie? Did you see Brucie while you were being held there?
Held where?
Answer the question.
Held where?
Fuck you.
In the property where you were confined. Alleged
don't recall.
confinement.
I don't recall, unfortunately.
How did you feel during the time that you were there?
Where?
I think we already established
Answer
that
the
he does not
question.
recall.
What? Pop, I held it down.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your judge, I feel like she's pressuring to answer something, and I'm answering.
We'll move on.
Moving
trying to read
on.
me.
Why did you leave the scene after being released? Why didn't you speak with law enforcement?
From where exactly?
From the property.
Which property?
The property in Little Roxwood where the law enforcement found you on August 15th.
I thought Little Roxwood was blown up by Lord Valentine and LSPD after they committed a war crime.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay. Defense, your witness.
Hello, Mr. Cash.
Oh, hello, sir. How you doing, sir?
Pretty good, because it sounds like the DA just did my job for me. But we'll just go through the basics. You don't remember going to Little Roxwood according to your statement?
Oh. Look, you know, Little Roxwood is they got blown up by the state of San Andreas and the LSPD war criminal Lord Valentine?
Say it louder.
I think they committed a war crime and blew it up.
It's just what was in the report.
Oh, okay. I don't recall.
And you can't identify who brought you there?
I don't recall.
Yeah, no. I got
I don't recall.
no
Was there,
further.
was
No,
there a statement
you're
made
good.
by me, sir? I don't remember.
Not to my knowledge.
Oh.
Yeah, Your Honor, I have no further questions regarding alleged kidnappings.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Cash.
Sorry, I was intoxicated. Yeah, thank you too. Thank you too. Thank you. Lord Valentine, you should confess on the murder of Reese Jones Bodykit. Confess on your murder of Reese Jones Bodykit. Lord Valentine, confess on the murder of Reese Jones
Okay, that's
Bodykit.
enough.
I can't hear
That's
him.
enough, Mr. Cash.
Are doing our jobs for us.
Defense, you may present your case.
Fuck this up, motherfucker.
Mr. Morningstar?
Sorry, I can't hear you. I can't hear you, sorry.
You may present your case.
Ooh. Right in the kisser.
Can you give me 2 seconds, Your Honor? I'm having a little head issue.
Man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think you. Hey, we'll hire you. You just gotta keep.
Oh,
Oh. And.
okay, I'm good now. Your Honor, given the testimony from the state's own witnesses, defense does not believe any additional testimony is necessary to establish a position. I rest all my arguments for closing. Did you hear me?
Do you have a rebuttal state?
Sorry, I can't. I'm gonna come closer because I can't hear you.
Does state have a rebuttal?
State.
May I approach the bench, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am. Come forward.
I come too? I'm doing picnic?
Of course, yes. No, you're supposed to go. Are we not calling Brucie to the stand?
I asked if you want to rebuttal.
Oh, okay. That's what I figured. I wasn't sure how we did it. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, prosecution would like to call Brucie Sanchez to the stage.
Got this, Uncle Bruce.
Got this, Bruce. You gotta
Oh,
put
hey,
both hands on the bottle.
Hey, you gotta see me. You gotta see me have sex for the first time, Uncle Bruce. No. Watch. Just see me. Just see me grow the chin hairs out.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I'm gay.
I know you're gay, but it's a yes or no question.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Yes or no?
Yes, I am.
Okay. You're gay and they drop the soap. You may stand on the stage.
Hey, leave Uncle Bruce alone. Goddamn sheriff. That's why your hat stinks.
Your Honor, can I approach real quick before she starts?
Yeah, come forward.
Thank you, Your Honor. Oh, he... Okay.
I think Uncle Brucey's cooked.
Mr. Sanchez, did you personally contact Lloyd Valentine on August 15th?
Did I?
That is the question.
Maybe.
During that conversation, did you tell the officer that you were holding 3 people?
Maybe, I don't know. What date?
August 15th, 2026.
What day was that?
Let me check my books really
I
quick.
think we
Here's-
went to the water park that day, Bruce.
Okay, yeah. What day?
Thursday night.
Last Saturday.
Is that the park with the big swings?
All right, moving on. Did you identify those three people as Arturo Ramirez, Ace Cash, and Khalil Cash?
What three people?
The three people that you identified as holding in your cells below the property.
What sales? What property?
What? Wait, we have a property pop?
When you called Valentine, did you specifically tell the officers that they were being held inside cages?
Cages for animal.
I don't think she can hold it together, Pop. She sounds a little angry.
During the phone call, did you show Valentine that these three individuals were in your custody?
Maybe.
Did any of the three victims give you permission to hold them?
What victims?
Khalil Cash, Ace Cash.
Sorry.
And
Whoa,
you're all right.
whoa,
Ace
whoa.
Cash and Arturo Ramirez.
That was a close one, bud.
No, I don't hostage no one.
So you didn't state to Valentine that you had them held hostage and you wanted answers?
I don't remember what day.
August 15th, 2026, sir.
And what day was that?
It was a Saturday.
Saturday. What time?
I'm not sure of the time, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember.
All right. Were you present at the Vinewood Hills property when officers arrived?
What Vinewood Hills property?
The one that you were shot at on August 15th, 2026?
Who shot me?
That's Brucie.
Isn't that like a Biggie Small song?
All right. Were you aware that illegal firearms were being stored at that property that you were at on August 15th, 2026, which is a Saturday?
Firearm? Is that what she said, Judge?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I maybe want to self-defense.
Were you aware that officers recovered more than 30 illegal handguns?
No.
Eagle
Were
handgun. What's that, Pop?
Were you aware that approximately 5,000 rounds of ammunition were recovered?
No.
Did you have access to the room where the weapons and ammunition were located?
Where?
In the property in Vinewood Hills on Saturday, August 15th, 2026.
What day? You said Saturday? Shit. Oh shit.
Yo, he's punching at me.
Sorry, what was the last question?
Did you have access to the room where these weapons and ammunition were located?
I don't know. I go wherever. No doors ever lock for me.
Okay. Were you involved in the manufacturing, crafting, or storing of any of these weapons?
Objection, Your Honor, beyond scope of rebuttal.
Sustained.
Okay, moving on. When officers entered the property, were you armed?
I stay armed for protection, Your Honor.
So, stating to the court that you're always armed as a known felon that's not allowed to carry firearms, is that correct?
Look, in my country, I am.
You are what, sir?
I am gun carrier.
Okay. But here in Los Santos, you're a felon, which means that you can no longer carry a firearm. Is that correct?
Oh, I thank you for letting me know now.
Did you discharge a firearm during that confrontation with law enforcement?
Objection, Your Honor, is still beyond the scope of a rebuttal.
Your Honor, do I still have to answer? Okay. Next question.
Yeah, no worries. Final question. So, Mr. Sanchez, what legitimate reason did you have for holding 3 people inside cages against their will?
Objection, same reason.
Sustained.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Sanchez.
No, thank you, Your Honor. So fine shit.
Does prosecution have any additional evidence or witnesses to present?
Yes, in the docket, Your Honor, there is a body cam footage from Officer Valentine, Chief Valentine. My bad. And I don't know if you've had a chance to take a look at that. There is also no, just the body cam footage, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. I have seen the footage. Does the defense have any evidence or witness they'd like to present before?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. So if neither party has no additional witnesses or evidence to present, the prosecution, you may proceed with your closing statement.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, this case is about 3 people who were not free to leave. 3 victims were found confined in cages beneath the property where the defendant was present. Brucie Sanchez personally contacted law enforcement and admitted that he was holding Arturo Ramirez, Ace Cash, and Khalil Cash. Officers then located the victims exactly where the evidence indicated that they would be. They were not guests, they were not free to walk away, they were prisoners. This is not simply a case of unlawful confinement. Officers encountered an armed suspect and discovered an extensive cache of illegal firearms and ammunition at the same location. The evidence comes from multiple sources: the defendant's own statements, the victim's testimonies, the officer's observations, a video call, and physical evidence recovered from that property. The defense may ask you to doubt one piece of evidence, but this is a case not built on one piece. It's built on all of them together. 3 victims, 3 cages, 1 defendant who admitted he was holding them. The prosecution does ask for you to look at the evidence, look at these victims, and hold Brucie Sanchez accountable for what he did. Thank you, Your Honor.
Before we continue, were the weapons found on Brucie himself?
Not all of them, Your Honor.
Which ones?
Give me 1 second. I can get an answer. Do you want to?
Yeah. Can I? Answer
Yes. Go ahead.
Your Honor, it'd be the white ARP, be a illegal Glock 19, one of the C4s, then also a snub-nosed revolver, along with a load of ammo.
Okay. Defense, you have a closing statement?
Yes.
Self-defense.
Your Honor, the state came into this room with one hell of a charge sheet, but then they called their witnesses. Khalil told the court he doesn't know who took him. Ace pretty much said the same thing in that he was drunk and has no recollection of the entire thing. I couldn't have written a better testimony for the defense myself. And when the state finished its case, apparently its own evidence wasn't good enough because after the defense rested, they called my client and started asking him questions they failed to establish during their case in chief. Then came more evidence after rebuttal. At some point, Your Honor, an investigation has to stop becoming a work in progress and start becoming proof. Kidnapping, conspiracy, attempted murder, trafficking, terrorism, all those, but the state doesn't get convictions because they charge. That sounds horrifying. That's not how it works. They get convictions by proving every element of every charge. They brought accusations, they brought witnesses, and somehow they brought half of my defense for me, too. Your Honor, Mr. Sanchez, of what they actually proved, if anything, possession of a firearm? That's all. And that's all from me.
Okay. Gonna have a short recess for the next 5 minutes, which I'll come back with a verdict.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Smells like cop, I'll tell you that.
Whereas the Honorable Judge Shade Wilson is now entering the courtroom. Please stand and remain standing until the judge has been seated.
Oh shit. Fox, get up.
Huh?
Either go good or
Judge,
go
come
bad.
here.
Oh, okay.
Yo, stand up.
Pops.
Dang, people ready to like jump on you every 2 seconds.
I was just trying to help you out.
No, you're not. But like, I don't like
But
people
shut up,
yelling at me.
oh.
What are you guys not standing for?
Watch your mouth. Watch your fucking mouth, nigga.
Like you can't.
Oh shit.
You may be seated.
Use a big boy, nigga.
I think I understand.
Make a minute at the end of the day. Respect that.
Sir, quit being disruptive.
Before we continue to the verdict, I would like to call a witness of my own forward, Mr. Jax Creed, if you will.
Love me more. Oh, such a good boy.
About that. You know.
Yeah, we need a clear dog at the. Yeah, we need a guard.
Thank you. Raise your right hand. Thank you. Very good. Very good. Mr. Jackson Creed, do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth? So
I do.
help you God.
Do.
Okay, so you may go take a seat on the hot chair.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Creed, how are you?
I'm doing good, Your Honor. How are you today?
I just have a few questions for you.
Yes,
Before
ma'am.
we proceed. What was your role during this incident?
I was one of the breachers, one of the many people that went throughout the house to search and find these alleged hostages.
And did you personally witness anything about Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am, I did. Upon us going through a what looked to be almost a wall, like a secret door, Mr. Brucie was actually downstairs, Brucie Sanchez, with at first he had a AR style rifle in his hand, and then swapped over to an explosive device, threatening to throw at officers.
And did you hear Mr. Sanchez make any threats?
Yes, ma'am. Several threats, just about the people downstairs that, he'd be willing to injure them or hurt them, along with police in that matter.
So did you observe any of the three individuals being prevented from leaving?
As it was stated earlier, all three of them were locked in cages. Upon police arrival downstairs, we went ahead and unlocked the cages for the individuals and assisted them as best we could medically. And then afterward, we gathered statements. Yes, ma'am.
And were you present when the 4 weapons and ammunition was covered for Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am. I was attending to some victims along with Brucie that was shot during the altercation.
What were the other 2 weapons?
I mean, the handgun, the Class 2 firearm, the C4 explosives. Those what I can remember off the top of my head, Your Honor.
So did you observe anything indicating that Mr. Sanchez was selling, distributing, or trafficking weapons?
Yes, ma'am. As there was a bench downstairs, what looked to be firearm crafting or manufacturing downstairs, along with obviously the storage filled with 30 plus handguns and ammunition not distributed by the Los Santos Police Department. So, yes, ma'am.
So you seen evidence of him trafficking?
No, ma'am. I have not seen evidence of Mr. Brucie trafficking the weapons personally.
Was there anything else that you personally witnessed that you believe is relevant with your charges?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, upon assisting multiple individuals out of there, that being Mr. Art, Mr. Khalil, and Mr. Ace, it looked to be one of the witnesses gave us a statement that was a lot more in depth than what was presented today, as they said.
And what was that?
It would be that someone was holding security at the place of the party, and he mentioned that Mr. Brucie gave him a glass of water, and he said, "Go ahead, drink. There's no alcohol in it," or something of the sorts. And next thing he knows, he woke up in a cage, locked up and confined, and he was not able to leave, of course.
Bullshit. Ask him
Guy's
whether the
full of
batteries are.
Holy shit.
Okay. That's all I have for you, Mr. Creed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You got no batteries.
Can we cross?
Yes, you may come forward. You may examine.
Mr. Creed, you just testified that statements are gathered from the individuals in the cells?
That is correct.
All 3?
Negative, not all 3. I was personally there for one witness statement, as I am one person myself.
So you took one statement from one of them?
Yes, I came in halfway through the statement, and that is exactly what they explained to me.
Can we ask who this statement was taken from?
I don't have the answer at this time, but I can get it to you at a later time if you'd like. Or if there's a subpoena or anything for it, that'd be more than...
Thank you. That's all we need.
Okay. Having reviewed all the testimony and evidence presented before this court, I'm prepared to issue this ruling. The court finds Brucie Sanchez guilty of
Damn.
kidnapping ×3.
What? What?
Attempted murder ×3.
What?
Bomb threat.
Was she wearing earplugs?
Possession of a Class 2 firearm.
This fucking system has failed us! 4 A's cash for murder!
Continue, Your Honor, please.
Wish I had RB.
In possession of a
Sorry.
in possession of a firearm charge. The court does not find him guilty on weapons trafficking, possession of stolen property, or terrorist threats against the government. Conspiracy shall remain dismissed as it has been dismissed prior to the court. The court therefore sentences Brucie Sanchez to 395 months imprisonment
What?
Yes.
and a
Yo,
500K
don't touch
fine.
me.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Turn that goddamn phone off or I turn it
Don't
off
touch
for
me.
ya.
This
Do
is the
it.
judgment and sentence of this
I
court.
made the call.
Case dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.